I should have run out after you. I should have cried. I do not feel like I've been torn apart, and I don't know why.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the first of my Halloween series. I wanted to create this magical, mystical unicorn look for you guys. I actually created this look last year for a Halloween party, and I posted a picture of it on Instagram, and I got a lot of positive feedback. So I was like, why not recreate it for you guys right now and show you how to do it. Now I wanted my look to be really colorful and vibrant, because when I think of unicorns, I think rainbows and glitter. So I wanted to make sure I added all that to my look, and I also wanted to add some gold accents to kind of mimic my horn here. So I hope you like this look, and I'll show you how to get it. First, I'm starting off with my eyebrows, so I'm taking a creamy white eyeliner. This is the NYX Jumbo Pencil in the color Milk, and I'm using it to line up my eyebrows so all the other eyeshadows will pop more. Creating an ombre eyebrow, so first I'm starting off with a deep purple eyeshadow. This is the Artisan Monster pigment in the color Royal, and I'm placing it right in the beginning part of my eyebrow. I'll be using an angled eyebrow brush to apply all the eyeshadows. I'm taking a cobalt blue eyeshadow and placing that right after where we placed the purple eyeshadow. I'm using the Karaoke eyeshadow from RollerLash's Party Animal palette. Eyeshadow I'm using for the end of my eyebrow is a teal colored eyeshadow called Damage Control from that same Party Animal palette. Now I'm taking my Urban Decay primer potion in the color Eden to prime my eyelids. Placing a piece of tape in the corner of my eye to sharpen that eyeshadow look, because this is going to get a little bit messy. I'm using a lavender Makeup Geek eyeshadow in the color Wisteria as my transition shade, and I'm using a Sigma fluffy blending brush to place it right above my crease. Then I'm taking a hot pink eyeshadow called Bottoms Up from that Party Animal palette and placing it right in my crease with a Sigma E25 blending brush. I'm going to be creating a spotlight eyeshadow look. So I'll be taking that royal purple eyeshadow from Artisan with a flat shader brush and packing it on the inner and outer corners of my eyelid, avoiding the center because we're going to place a different eyeshadow there. up that purple eyeshadow on the lid, and then go back with your fluffy blending brush into the hot pink eyeshadow and just build up that pink in the crease again. For the center of my eyelid, I'm taking the Stila Shimmer and Glow cream eyeshadow in the color Sea Siren, which is this beautiful lavender and turquoise duochrome, and it really made the center of my eyelid stand out. Back into that royal purple eyeshadow and try to blend out the edges of the shimmery shadow we placed in the center. Next, I took my Tarte eyelash curler and curled my lashes before I apply eyeliner. Then I took the Urban Decay Razor Sharp liquid eyeliner in the color Chaos, which is this beautiful cobalt blue color, and created a wing. Next, I took the Marc Jacobs Highliner in the color Out of the Blue and used it to tightline my upper eyelid. Now we're on to lashes. So I took the Benefit RollerLash and Maybelline Define-A-Lash mascaras and layer them both on to get my lashes to be as big and voluminous as I can get them. To add some gold accents to my eye look, so I took the Becca Pearl Meets Gold highlighter and the BH Cosmetics Gold Glitter eyeliner and placed them both in the inner corner of my eye to give me that gold glow. Then I removed the tape and used a wet makeup wipe to clean up the eyeshadow fallout on my cheek. To continue with the gold trend, I used the ColourPop gold eyeliner and used it to line my waterline. I really wanted my bottom lashes to be purple, and in order for the color mascara to stand out on my dark lashes, I first had to apply a white lash primer from Lancome, and then I used this Butter London purple mascara on top of that. Look, I took a small detail brush and dipped it into that royal purple eyeshadow and lined my lower lash line. Now we're on to the face. So I'm taking the Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation in the shade Buttercup, and I'm using my Tarte foundation brush to blend it in. I didn't know at the time until I saw myself on camera how light this foundation looks on me now. I guess I got a lot more tan on my honeymoon than I thought I did. So just make sure that your foundation shade matches your neck and the rest of your body. Otherwise, you're going to end up looking like me, with a pale face and a darker body. Next on the agenda is blush. I wanted to choose a pink purple blush to kind of mimic the pink and purple tones in our eyes. So I chose the Becca Light Chaser highlighter in the color Amethyst Flashes Geode, which is this beautiful pink purple duochrome blush slash highlighter. Honestly, it's always been a little too dark on me to be a highlighter. I've always used it as a blush. I'm not sure if this is still available at Sephora or Ulta because it was from a limited edition collection, but you can always find it online or choose any pink purple blush you have in your collection. When it came to highlighter, I wanted to layer on a couple of different highlighters to get that perfect golden glow. So first I'm using the Becca Light Chaser highlighter in the color Pearl Flashes Gold, which is this beautiful soft white gold. And then on top of that, I'll be layering on the Makeup Forever Pro Light Fusion highlighter in the color Golden. Last but not least is lips. I want to create an ombre lip using 2 doses of colors liquid lipsticks in the shades Bury Me 2 and Pinky Promise. I really want the center of my lips to stand out, so I'm first applying the purple shade to the outer corners, and then I'll apply the hot pink shade to the center of my lips and blend it together. This will create the illusion that my lips are fuller and more plump. I want to add a last finishing touch to my lips, but first I need the liquid lipsticks to dry matte. Then I'm going to take the Makeup Forever Pro Light Fusion highlighter in the color Golden, and I'm going to apply a little bit to the center of my lips to make them pop even more. So now that we have our full face of makeup on, let's put on the unicorn wig. And your look is complete. The wig definitely adds a little pizzazz to this look. Follow these tips and you'll be the hit at your next Halloween party. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Whenever you're ready.
Okay, wait, I'm getting hot flash. My horn straight?
Yup.
Okay.
As straight as can be.
Where's my dad? You can't see the mic there? No. Oh god, I have to keep in this position then. Don't judge me.
Alright, we're good.
I don't want to do this.
I totally got it on video though.
Oh my god. I'm sweating balls in this wig.